everyone. In this video we are going to learn about the different types of pattern. So what is a pattern? Pattern is an arrangement of shapes or arrangements of the number, and if we observe the pattern we can recognize them and we can tell the next shape or the next number very easily. So let's see some basic examples of the pattern.
As we observe in this pattern, after every green color circle, there is a triangle of blue color, and this pattern is repeated up to the end. And now if you want to find which will come next to the green color circle, you can easily tell that it will be the triangle. So this is one of the pattern of the shapes. In this pattern you can observe that elephant picture and then alternate camel picture and so on. So at last the picture will come after the camel, it will be elephant picture. So this we can observe and we can easily extend the pattern. These are the simple examples of the patterns.
We will discuss about the patterns for natural number or whole number, as well as magic square, and the patterns for the matchsticks, and how to find the formula for patterns for matchsticks that we will see. We will see now patterns for some numbers. So see the example number first from the exercise 5L. So as it is given, in the first step 1 into 9 plus 1 equals to 10. We can observe that here the next step they took 12 into 9 plus 1 equals to 110. And in third step 123 into 9 plus 1 equals to 1110. So students, we need to find here the next step of the given. So how we can find? So no need to solve the example as according to addition and multiplication. We need to just observe the patterns of the number and we need to find the next step. So let's observe here. Here only 1 is there. Here 2 is added. Again next step here 3 is added. So what will be in the next step? It will be there 1, 2, 3. So what will add here? Here there is an addition of the 4. So 4 will add here. Now into symbols is as it is same. Now they multiply 9 by 9. Here also by 9. So in the next step it will also come multiply by 9. Now plus symbol. So as it is same for all 3 steps. So for the steps also it is same. Now they added 1, 1, 1 here. So here also it will come 1. Now while writing the answer, as they found the answer for the 3 steps, same way we need to find for the last step. So here 10. Here one more 1 is added. Here also 1 is added. So here 1 times 1, here 2 times 1, here 3 times 1. So next answer will come 4 times 1. And at the end 0. So this is our next step. So same way, how many steps we want to find, that we can find by observing the patterns of the numbers. Let's see the next example. In next example, here 111 divided by 3 equals to 37. In second step 222 divided by 6 equals to 37, and 333 divided by 9 equals to 37. So we need to find here next 2 steps. So how to find the next 2 steps of the pattern? So just we need to observe. Here 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3. So what will be the next number? That is 3 times 4. Okay. As well as here what will come? 3 times 5. Okay. Now they here divided by 3, divided by 6. So division symbol will be common for all the steps. Now 3, here 6 is there, here 9 is there. So what will be the next number, that is 12. You can observe the table of the 3. So here we written here 12, here it will come 15. Okay, now so what will be the answer? So answer it will come same, that is 37 and 37. So in this way we have to write the answers of the patterns by observing them. Next type of pattern is magic square. It is a square box which contains the different whole number, and the whole numbers are arranged in such a way that their row wise or column wise or diagonally their sum will come same. It means as the numbers are there horizontally 2, 9, 4, their sum will come 15. So at the same time vertically 2 plus 7 plus 6, their sum will come also 15. As well as diagonally 2 plus 5 plus 8, their sum will also come 15. So this is a pattern which is known as a magic square. Let's see how to solve the magic square examples. Now let's see how to solve the example based on the magic square. Here we need to find the empty places in this square. So as we know, the diagonal sum as well as line wise sum will be same. So as we know the diagonal number 6, 5, 4. So their sum is equals to 15. So same way the row wise sum will also come 15. This we know very well. So by using this we can fill the number directly in the empty boxes. So as we know here 15 will come as a sum. So 6 plus 7 is a 13. So which number we have to fill, then we will get 15, then that is a 2. Here also 9 plus 5 is a 14. So which number we will add, then we will get the 15 as a sum. So 1. So here we need to write the 1. Another 8 and 4. If we add together 8 plus 4 equals to 12. So what will be the answer? When we will get the 15, here when we will fill the 3, then our answer will come, sum will come 15. So in this way we can solve the magic square examples. Next topic is matchstick pattern. The matchstick pattern means the pattern which formed by using the matchsticks. Various shapes can form by using the matchsticks. So in each figure how many matchsticks we needed, that we will count and we will form the specific pattern. So let's see the various examples related to matchstick pattern.
As we can observe the figure of the matchstick patterns. So first of all we will find the each figure is made up of how many number of matchstick. So first figure needs 4 matchstick, second needs 7 matchsticks, and the third figure needs the 10 matchsticks. So in this way we can find for every pattern of the matchsticks, that is number of matchsticks needed. Let's see the example. As we know, first to solve the example we need to write the figure number, that is n, and number of matchsticks needed for every figure, that is m, and make the table of it. After that we return here figure number 1, and that number 1 figure needed the 4 matchsticks, and similarly for second, third and fourth. So we can observe that for every next figure we need plus 3 or more 3 matchsticks. So in this way we can find out for any figure number how many matchsticks we needed. Now suppose they ask us how many matchsticks the 10th number figure or 100th number figure needed. So we need not to count up to the 100 or up to the 10th number figure. So we need to create here one formula according to our table. So as we know, m is a number of matchsticks needed for the 10th figure. So equals to 3n. So 3n means for every figure there is a plus 3 matchsticks we needed for every next figure. So 3n plus 1. So by using this formula we can find for any number of the figure. This formula will vary according to the pattern of the matchsticks and what is the increase of the number of matchsticks for the next figure.